Remember that we have a graphic symbol which contains a hat. So for the last video for this tutorial, we'll be adding the hat in the main stage and apply motion tween with motion pad on the hat. So this will be the last video tutorial for this topic, and we'll have uh, different sets of video tutorial for our succeeding topics or next up. Okay, so I'll create another layer for the hat, and we can find that inside the graphic symbols we have hat. Where is it? There. Okay. Make sure that the playhead is located or placed at frame 1, and then you drag the hat from the graphic symbols folder and place it there. You just adjust the size so it will fit on the head of the character. There. Okay, and then you move your or the playhead. Take note that the character lifted its hand and it's going to actually throw the hat on air. There. So at this point, the hat should be still on the head of the character. Oh, that's my cat meowing. Sorry for that. So you just add a keyframe at, I think it's frame 43. You press F6 and then um, place the hat on the head of your character and right click in between the two keyframes on layer 3 where the hat is located. Right click and then create classic tween. Okay. So you adjust the playhead so you can see how it works. You adjust the hat a little bit and rotate it a little bit. It will automatically create a keyframe on layer 3 where the hat is located. There. Take the hat and follow the movement of the head. There. Press enter. Okay. So enter. Sorry. So at this point, here, your character should throw the hat. So we will apply motion tween with motion pad on this part of the